To remove some light scratches on the bonnet of a Range Rover, I used my tolecut kit. I first then went in with the 1200 on the M block, lightly sanded this, followed by some 1500 on the smaller S block. Lightly repeat the process. Now I can use some buflex 2000 on an orbital sander. This is the Flex PXE80. Blending it out slightly. Finishing it off with some Farecla G360 on a rotary adapter. I like the rotary option because it cuts a lot quicker than an orbital will. And that's it. That's the removal of a light scratch on a Range Rover bonnet.